Hello everyone. In the mainframe optimization phase, the first step is to remove properties from the mainframe. In this step, UiChemy shows if the mainframe of the design has properties like gaps, horizontal padding, vertical padding, alignment, or background color. When exporting, these properties will be ignored, so the plugin suggests removing them by clicking the Fix button. If you don't, the exported result might look different from the design. To prevent it, let us show you how to fix it. In this design, we have 3 subframes inside the mainframe. We select the first subframe and apply vertical padding to space out the sections. Since we removed the horizontal spacing from the mainframe, we set the width to fill instead of fixed and set the background color to black, as in the design. We will do the same for the other 2 subframes, setting the vertical padding, width, and background color. Okay, let's check the exported result. As you can see, the exported result is the same as the design. Let us show you the back end. Here, you can see the mainframe is ignored, so it loses those properties. That's why we applied them to the subframes.